Hi guys, my name is Frank Serrano. I'm one of the creators of Nurture Meals. Many people have asked us, why Nurture? The short answer is simple. We want convenience in our lives. Now the trick is not to sacrifice quality and taste. We wanted to have a product to take to market that actually people want and people enjoy. Think of this, we work long hours every single day just to go home and having to cook, wash pots and dishes. Now the alternative, of course, is fast food or expensive food delivery services. Who can do that every day? Nurture offers you affordable restaurant quality meals in 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. No more dirty pots and pans to wash, so get ready. Real food for real people. Nurture is a faster and better option with great food created with the freshest ingredients and in some cases farm to table. A lot of our customers call our meals the comfort meal of the week. Best of all, you can have these meals for lunch, dinner, or both. So enjoy.